Ben, I want to do a Patreon giveaway again. It's something awesome. Can you handle that? Good. Get it done.
I guess I better get to it. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, just got here to Dick's. All right, let's head inside. I don't know what I could give away. Like, I don't know how much Sean wants me to spend. I hope I don't spend too much. You guys want maybe some baseball gear? Maybe brand new batting helmet. Do you guys love Phillies as much as I do? I don't know about you guys, but if your golf game is anything like mine, it's not gonna matter if you get new clubs. Guys, I think I know what will be perfect. I think I found it. I think I found the thing that we're gonna get. There it is. The new Yeti Tundra 65. You know what though? I'm sure Sean won't mind if I grab a couple other things. Wonder what else I could do. I got it. I got just the idea, guys. Yeti 18-ounce Rambler. And 20-ounce tumbler. How cool is that? All right, everybody, we are back at the shop. We got our Yeti Tundra 65 cooler and our 2 cool Yeti mugs. 3 of you guys are gonna win. 2 people are gonna get Yeti mugs and 1 person is gonna get that Yeti Tundra 65. So don't miss out on this giveaway, guys.